If you have multiple clients or multiple use cases for auto captions, let's take a look how to use presets. You have a few pre-made presets, or you can create your own. As soon as you change the default value, the presets become custom and you can save as new. You can switch back and values will be updated. You can duplicate your preset and change values for a second customer. You can always rename your preset, and you can always delete your preset. One default preset is meta ads. It will place the captions into upper third of the screen, so it doesn't cover any of the lower UI elements on the screen. If you care more about speed, you can choose a fast preset. It will be word by word, and it will skip AI processing of grouping by phrase and picking emoji. You can also modify the pre-made preset and save it as new. Update existing presets by pressing save.